Tucker. Tucker the monster truck had big wheels, big headlights, and real eyes. Wanna learn shapes with me? Roll! Let's go!
From down the road, what's that I see? A circle rolling fast, almost bumping into me. It's round and smooth, no corners at all, like my monster truck tires when they spin and fall.
Can you make a circle with your hands? Like this?
Whoa! Mine looks like a donut. Do you like donuts? Shapes, shapes, come along and play. Zooming with Tucker, learning every day. If you see a shape, shout it out real loud. Come on, be brave, make your monster truck proud.
Oh wow, look at her there. Big blocky thing.
A square on the ground like a giant box. Four same size, tick-tock, tick-tock. Corners that point like little tiny spikes, just like my toolbox where I keep my bike. Can you count the corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what stuff in your room is a square? Shapes, shapes, come along and play. Zooming with Tucker, learning every day. If you see a shape, shout it out real loud. Come on, be brave, make your monster truck proud. Wait, what's that poking up in the sky? Yeah, triangle, mountain standing tall and neat. 3 sides climbing up like tricky little feet. 1, 2, 3, it's pointy at the top. If I tried to drive over it, I'd go here, plop. Can you make a triangle with your fingers? I can, almost. Hey, do you know anything that's triangle shaped? Shapes, you learn them on the way. Circle, square, triangle, hip, hip, hooray. With Tucker the truck, he zoomed all around. Now you know the shapes that are all over town. You're awesome. You learned shapes just like a real monster truck driver. Want to learn more shapes with me next time? Woo! Come on. Okay.